Uh-oh, it looks like some ethnic Kekastanis got to the Fearless Girl statue in New York. This is why we can't have nice things. Exhibit B, just over a week after Finance Broseph made a spectacle of humping the Fearless Girl statue. You remember the guy. What a dick. Some Donald Trump supporters stepped by to outfit her in MAGA gear, just what she needs. A Pepe, a Trump hat, a flag, and Vets Before Illegal sign. An actual political message. What I like most about this is not only are they not happy, but they're not really very happy with Fearless Girl either. Fearless Girl appeared on Wall Street on the eve of the March 8 women's strike, stationed directly across from the district's iconic Charging Bull statue. She's intended to represent the importance of women's presence in the financial sector, although she has been criticised as a symbol of corporate feminism. Nothing's ever good enough. Nothing is ever pure enough. And I love the importance of women's presence in the financial sector. Again, acting as if women are a faction, women are a team, and they're all working together, or something like that. No, there will undoubtedly be a female presence in the financial sector, but when you say woman's presence, you mean a feminist presence, don't you? In any case, the last hat she wore was a pink pussy hat, arguably a symbol of consumerist feminism. Oh, that's not quite the right type of feminism, and you can tell because they start telling you the kind of feminism it is. So, well, look, that's a thingy feminism. I'm not necessarily condoning this, because otherwise they just call it feminism. But certainly a symbol attached to a movement that disagrees with the president, pretty much point for point on what makes America great. No lasting damage was done, though, and they can have confirmed she's back to her unadorned bronze self. Well, that's just special. The fact that you gave a damn enough to report on this in the first place. God bless you ethnic Kekastanis.